why I don't follow trends. Fucking stupid. Where the hell am I? I go to TV dinner. Let's get it. Yeah. That's why I don't follow trends. Fucking stupid. Let's see. That is some thick cheese. That is some thick layer cheese. It's giving real Romano cheese in here. How the hell am I gonna get out of here? At least I ain't gonna be starving. Stuck in an endless void. Eating a fucking TV dinner. At least if this is gonna be the way I go out, at least it wasn't that bad. It can be worse. And that black pepper on here, giving it a zesty taste. Okay, based off what I had, I will say that it is actually pretty decent, but it ain't nothing to knock my socks off, even though it sucked my socks off before I got in here, and I have no clue how the hell I'm gonna get out. But overall, I mean, it's a pretty fine pasta. The cheese is pretty thick. You can really taste the layers, and you can really tell that it's different types of cheeses. Based off that, my final verdict would have to be, wait for it when it's on sale, but don't look inside the box. Ugh.